Hi, I'm Arrshie from Aesthos Interior Design. Welcome to today's session on mood board. Now that you have selected your style, shortlisted your furniture and decided upon your wall treatment, it's time that we put everything together. This kind of gives us a perspective as to what is your look and feel and the mood of the place. And this we will do by putting it on a mood board. There are two kinds of mood board. One, a physical mood board, and second, a digital mood board. So for the physical mood board, you will need a mount board and all the swatches and elements and materials that you have collected to be mounted on this board. So I have my picture of the furniture that I've shortlisted and the light. This is the upholstery fabric. This is the drape. This is my rug. This is my material for my furniture, including this. This is how my false ceiling will look. These are the color combinations for my furniture. This is my wallpaper and this is my texture paint. This is my wooden flooring. I have a mood board for contemporary home. And for the digital mood board, all you have to do is take pictures of the samples and the swatches in true color so that what you see is what you get. Open a photo editor, take a size of A3, take all these pictures. They should be in high resolution, make a lovely collage out of it, and then take it to the printer to print it on a self-sticking paper that can be stuck and mounted on a board. And before you get down to actually making these mood boards, I would suggest that you please check out our sessions on color schemes because these are interrelated. For that, click on the subscribe button and I will see you in the next session.